payback period problem. Payback being the simplest investment appraisal in terms of understanding. I don't know if it's the simplest in terms of actually doing it. The input you're always going to have is some sort of initial investment or cost. Let's just make up one for this problem. Let's call it $175,000. You're going to have inflows. So inflows are the money generated from this investment, and that's going to be by year. So let's go ahead and put our year 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it would be a 5-year inflow. In the first year, we have 65,000 is our inflow. Our second year is 35,000. Our third year is 40,000. Our fifth year is 60,000, and our fifth year is $70,000. Now, to find out when this project was paid back, our initial investment cost, we're going to go ahead and do a running total on the side. So I'll go ahead and have our running total after year 2 is 100,000. After year 3 is 140,000. Now, after I do each running total, I check to see if this number is greater than this number. If it is, then I have to back off a year and figure out what fraction of a year was required to equal our initial investment in that particular year. So we take a look at year number 4. Our running total is 200,000, and yes, indeed, $200,000 is greater than $175,000. So payback happened sometime between year 3 and year 4. So what I will do is I'll take 175,000 and I'll subtract the last year that it did not exceed and come up with $35,000. So when $35,000 is earned in year number 4, which the total year brought in 60, then the project is paid back. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our $35,000 and we are going to divide by 60,000. 60,000 being the amount that came in year 4. So we get 0.583. We're going to round that because really for payback we can have years and then tenths of years. So we're going to call this 0.6. So our payback equals, so 1, 2, 3, and then a fraction of the 4th year, and that will be 3.6, the 6 being the number that we received after we did the division of the amount that was remaining to be paid off in that 4th year and the amount that we actually brought in the 4th year. And that's pretty much the strategy for doing a payback problem.